Hey everyone, how's it going? Just thought I'd do a quick little video on a little DIY project I've been working on for the back doors of the troll here. So what the plan is here is I'm going to make a little shelving / storage section that goes along the top of the door here on both sides, so that we can put a few little extra kitchen utensils or salt and pepper shakers, sauces, all that sort of stuff on the door there in some otherwise dead space. So what I've done is grabbed some cardboard and measured up some templates for the door cards here. And basically what I'm going to do is take the little body clips out of here, whack a nutsert in and bolt in a little carpeted wood panel just like this one, so that it creates a little pocket behind there and you can chuck a few little things that otherwise go missing, like stubby holders. Health and safety officer on deck, making sure things are under control. Isn't that right, Winnie? So what I've done here is a couple of weekends ago, I inserted some rib nuts into the body panels here. And you can see they just accept an M6 bolt to keep the panels on. And I actually saw this idea off a bloke on TikTok. And what he did is use these with bolts in them to hold a little panel up for that storage section. And so I've gone and used some cardboard, as you can see over there, cut out some little plywood panels. I think this is just a 9mm ply, or maybe even a little bit skinnier than that. It doesn't need to be super strong, it's just going to hold a few things up there once it's bolted in. So you get the picture, whack that up there, carpet it, and then storage in behind. So I've drilled some holes in my panels here that line up with my holes here. Now I'm just going to whack some nutserts in on this side and we'll mount it all up. So here we go, this is the hardest bit of the whole thing, is popping some holes into the car, but I did the other side, so I'm pretty confident on this one. So for an M6 nutsert, you need a 9mm drill bit. Done that side. Done that side. Now I've got my nutsert tool all ready to go. I'm going to pop 2 in the door. So now if I've got an M6 bolt here, a screw right in. So yeah, pretty good. Now I've got the carpet and the pieces of plywood glued up with some adhesive. Whack the carpet on there, weight it down and flip it over in a bit and glue the other side and then install them. And we can go from something like this to something like this. There we go, bit of extra storage up there for some light things. It's not super sturdy, but it does a little job of holding stubby holders, bin bags, pegs, that sort of thing. And then just a bit of bungee cord for those towel drying, or putting a roll of paper towel or something on there as well.